Hey everyone, welcome back to Mexmew. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download free background music directly from YouTube as an MP3 file. Whether you're using an Android phone like this Samsung Galaxy, an iPhone, or a computer, you can easily download copyright-free music to use in your videos. Let me show you exactly how to do it. First, open any web browser on your device, like Google Chrome or Safari. In the address bar, type in studio.youtube.com and hit go. Keep in mind, anyone with a Google or YouTube account has access to this. If it asks you, simply tap on Continue to Studio at the bottom. Once you are inside the YouTube Studio dashboard, let's zoom in to the left sidebar. Look for the audio library icon. It looks like a musical note. Tap on that. Here, you will find thousands of free tracks. You can press the play button next to any song to listen to it. If you find a track you like, simply select it, scroll to the right side, and tap on Download. Confirm the download if a pop-up appears, and it will save instantly to your device. Now, let's check the downloaded file. Exit the browser and open the Files app on your phone. Go to the Downloads folder, and right there, you will see the MP3 song you just downloaded from YouTube Audio Library. You can play it directly or import it into your favorite video editors like CapCut or InShot. If this tutorial helped you out, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below if you have any questions, and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to Mexmew for more awesome tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.